So, what you see right now is a bunch of snow. And, well, actually, it's not snow. It's ice. It's like solid. There's a layer of snow on top, but it's very slippery. Yeah, it's a bunch of ice.
Whoa, look at this ice. This is ice.
I know that.
I'm pushing down.
It's really slippery. And Ball State University didn't cancel their classes today. They're crazy. So this is ice. Really hard ice. On a chair. On our porch.
What do you think it was dangerous to be out of the snowstorm?
And there's a huge pile of snow right here. Ice.
Is this ice?
Yeah, that's all ice.
Oh my gosh! How would we get up there?
Oh yeah, this is like slope ice.
This is all ice too.
Oh, and our place set over here, the slide has ice down it. I went down it earlier. You slide halfway across our yard if you go down this thing.
That is so cool!
I know.
I love snowstorms! I'm gonna go on the slide.
Yeah. Watch as my sister demonstrates. Sliding down the slippery slide.
Oh, how do I get up?
Very windy. It's not too bad.
I hope you get new snow boots soon, Emma.
Hurry up! Yeah, my snow boots are terrible. They have terrible tread.
Let's see.
Okay, Elizabeth, go down the slide. Look at that.
That was so cool!